Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. As you guys can see today, I'm not at the house. I am not at the crib. These amazing, beautiful sneakers behind me are here at Premium Kicks ATL. Now, for my people who visit Atlanta, for my people who live in Atlanta, I always get the #1 question. If you read my DMs, I guess Atlanta is like one of those places where everybody travel, everybody want to be. If you live in the US, bro, you've been to Atlanta at least once or twice. And if you haven't, you probably wanted to stop through for so many reasons. The #1 question I get, where do I go sneaker shopping when I come to Atlanta? Well, here guys, I'm at Premium Kicks ATL. And as you can see, either in this review, because they were nice enough to bless me with the opportunity to do these chunky dunks. On top of that, they got a lot more heat in the store. So not only will I throw up their Instagram right there, I will also link it down below. For anybody who's questioning where to shop in Atlanta, now you know. Premium Kicks have just about everything you guys need, from clothing, sneakers. So huge thanks to Premium Kicks for allowing me to review this today. And you already know the vibes, man. Do-rag snipe. Even though I'm not at the crib, it's still do-rag snipe. I told y'all I'm not taking this do-rag off until the quarantine is officially over. So I'm still standing strong on my word, you know what I'm saying? Today we are about to review one of the biggest, most hyped sneakers of 2020 so far. It's no question. I immediately knew these was gonna go crazy when I first seen the sneak peeks around social media and I saw everybody going crazy on their timelines on Twitter, Instagram. I don't even have a Facebook, and I was getting Facebook, but it was crazy. To the point where right now in my size 12, the resale for the sneaker is $1,700. And that's just the one without the special package. Y'all know the one with the special packaging that comes in the ice cream tub. The regular packaging, regular box, this is going for $1,700. Now, why is that crazy? It's crazy because even though other sneakers go for 17, 28, 25, this shoe only retails for $100. So you can only imagine the profit that comes from this shoe. And of course, with profit in sneakers comes a crowd. So many people wanted these, so many people did not get these. I was unfortunately one of those people that did everything I could to get my hands on these and took an L. 20 raffles, sneakers app had like 4 accounts and still was not able to get an L. In fact, I don't even know nobody who won. So if you won or if you know somebody who won, then comment down below and also smash this like button because I think you're probably one of the luckiest people of 2020. Even though it's early, it's only May 2020, I still believe that I would be very shocked if I were to see a sneaker that surpasses this amount of hype and resale value. Now, it might be shoes that be worth more, right? It might be shoes that's been sold like the Dior's, right? They might be sold for more money, but look at the profit margin. Are you making $1,600 off this shoe? So even though more shoes might be resold for more, like how much are you actually making? So if the Dior is being sold for $1,000 and you sell it for $2,000, you know what I'm saying? You only made $1,000, which here you're making $1,600. So it's just crazy, man. It is just crazy. But without further ado, let's get into the most hyped sneaker of 2020, the Nike SB Dunk Chunky Dunk. Y'all know the vibes. Whether we at the crib or not, we still gonna get these packages in the same way. Here's the box for this. Now this box is a multicolored, crazy color box that I think that Nike and SB are doing, especially when they get crazy sneakers. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, they had the same box for the Travis Scott SB Dunks as well. If I'm wrong, please let me know because I was never able to get my hands on a pair of Travis Scott Dunks or to see the packaging or to see the box, but I believe they came in a box similar to this one. Now, one thing about this box that's crazy is because when the Travis Scotts came out and they was in this box, it didn't really hit hard because the colorway wasn't this. You know what I'm saying? This was not the colorway. Now, when you look at the actual SB Chunky Dunk, the colorway actually matches the box. It's actually crazy like that for real. So without further ado, let me go ahead and open these up and show y'all what we have in store for today. And bow, here we have it. This is what all of the hype is about right here, man. This is what all the hype is about. This is what all the fussing, the fighting, the heartbreak. I almost cried. I'm not gonna lie. I did not want to shoot this bad in a very, very long time. And to have this in hand, this is my first time ever having this shoe in hand, ever. I'm super impressed. I did not know it had like this animal print type feel to it at all. I knew it had this crazy Ben & Jerry collab with one thing, first thing first. The melted Nike check, the melted Nike swoosh is what threw this over the top of me. Just look at that. That is crazy. The attention to detail. I mean, this collab couldn't have been any more better when it comes to actually like putting the Ben & Jerry on a sneaker. It got like the blue skies that's on every Chunky Dunk box or every Ben & Jerry box. It got multicolor, it got the cow. It's just complete package. Now, what's funny to me is people are conveniently liking SBs when they want to. Shout out to the real SB guys out there who love and rock their SBs all the time. It don't have to be a crazy release. I'm here to tell y'all just about every dunk that come out is on my channel. So if you're one of those dunk guys, you can definitely come to my channel and check it out. I don't just only do the hype ones. I do the general release ones. I do the regular ones, you know what I'm saying? And I do the hype ones too, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna hold you. I do show love to the dunk community. Y'all know the vibes, man. You know, ain't no cap in my rap. But yeah, though, just looking at these, man, it's crazy, and it comes with a lot of additional laces. I was gonna count them, but I didn't want to be wrong. So it comes with 2 additional laces. You got the green lace, you got the yellow lace, but all in all, man, I think this shoe, like I said, will be undisputedly the best sneaker of 2020. And if something changes that, then you can at me, because I will be very, very surprised. Let's go ahead and get the other pair out as well, man. We might as well get both pair, because I don't know when the next time I'm gonna hold this sneaker in hand, because I'm not paying that resale value. Y'all know, look, this 1700, come on, bro, like that's a lot of bread. That's a lot of bread. Let's get into the review, man. Let's go start off from the outer sole, as we always do. Checking out the outer sole of this Nike SB Dunk. We get an all green outer sole, kind of like a darker green, but in the middle, right there, you see the Nike SB logo. It's more of a lighter green, more of a lime green, until we move up to the midsole. Clean midsole, all white. You can never go wrong with an all white midsole. I remember when Air Jordan, when they was coming out with a few Jordans, like I think last year, they decided to come out with that sail midsole. And I love sail midsoles because they don't make your shoe look as dirty once you get a few wears in, but certain sneakers just look amazing with an all white clear coat of the midsole, and I think that they definitely did a great job when it comes to these SBs. Now moving up to the uppers is where you get very, very complicated, because there's a lot going on. I'm gonna do my best to try to walk y'all down with everything that's happening right now. So around the toe box, surrounded by the toe box, and moving up to the actual tongue and the laces of the sneaker, you get this overlay of animal hair that's completely surrounded in this cow type pattern. Okay, so it's actual animal hair on these. So if you ever had any sneaker, you know, even those 6s, those what was those, the pony hair 6s or the social status 6s that had like that hair on them, it's the same type feel, the same type vibe. Now the reason why that's kind of cool is because it's actually supposed to emulate a cow. So not only does it have like the cow type pattern, it has like that cow type feel, so it makes it a little bit, it sells the point a little bit more. Check out the toe box, you see this nice, look at that, very, very, very nice light blue. That sky blue, that's the same on the actual Ben & Jerry box, and that's why I think a lot of people see the similarities between the box and the sneakers, because of the colorway and the way that went around it. Now checking out the side panel of the shoe is probably my favorite part, and that's what I told you guys, is that Nike swoosh that's kind of melting. We all know the feeling when your ice cream melt. I'm the type of person, bro, if my ice cream melting, I don't even want it anymore. If it ain't what it is, I don't want it. The Nike swoosh is melting. Very, very dope details. See the sky on the side panel, as well as the green grass. Moving to the back, we see the Nike right there on the back of that dunk. All in all, man, I definitely think that this sneaker will be the best of 2020. And if something happens to surpass this, I'd be surprised. I'd definitely be surprised. On the tongue as well, you get the same material you see on the uppers and around the toe box, which is that cow type material. And it says Nike SB Dunk, Chunky Dunk, with white laces. And of course, it comes with the 2 spare laces, which is green and yellow. The inside or the interior of the sock liner, it's like a multicolor. It's kind of got like this tie-dye type vibe going on, but definitely still makes sense because the sneaker has so many colors in it. You really could have did whatever to the sock liner. It still would have looked good to me. Now, what I learned in my SB history, because y'all used to be on me heavy, the huge difference between just a dunk and an SB dunk is the tongue, okay? So we get this big, huge, puffy tongue. I don't even know if anybody gonna skateboard in these. And if I was to see people skateboarding these, I would be surprised and taken back, okay? We don't need to be skateboarding in these. These need to be in a glass case somewhere. If I had these, they would definitely be in the studio, somewhere with special lights, probably have like triggered alarms to where if you put your hands in it, the sensors will go off and all types of stuff will happen. These will be very, very protected if they was mine. Make sure you let me know, what's your thoughts on these? Is this worth the resale value, which right now in the size 12 is $1,700? Just thinking about that is absolutely crazy. And if you guys are wondering where these are, like I told you guys, they are over here at Premium Kicks, and it's located in Atlanta. Once again, it will be linked down below. I want to know who had luck getting these, who missed out, and who was able to pick these up. If you was able to pick these up for retail, I'm guaranteeing you right now, you're the luckiest dude of 2020 when it comes to sneakers. Trust me. I was able to get the Travis Scott ones, what was that, last year? For retail on Sneakers app. And I didn't really win nothing afterwards, and I didn't care, because I knew from that point forward, it was nothing that could really beat that. A Travis Scott one for retail, you can't really beat that. So that's just about it for me, man. I'm up out of here, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below, tell me your thoughts and opinions of the Nike SB Chunky Dunk. Is this the best sneaker of 2020? And if not, what shoe is gonna beat that out? You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure it's a lot of other sneakers out there. Just tell me what you think is gonna beat out this, especially for the hype, for the resale value. We all need to know. But until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. You know I cannot leave without saying everybody wanna be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.